Let's draw a cardioid in Google Sheets. Here we begin with the values of A, starting from 0 to 2.0. And our value for B will be data validation over the range from 2 to 1.2 and save. So we can start from point 2. And the value of A pi, which is equal to array formula A times pi. And the value for X, which is equal to array formula 2 times B times cosine of A pi times the quantity 1 minus cosine of A pi. So these are the data sets for the X values. Now for the Y values, which is array formula 2 times B times sine of A pi times the quantity 1 minus cosine of A pi. And enter. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we will use scatter chart for this. Or the smooth line chart. The smooth line chart. And to close this, we delete this portion because we need a space. And we square this out so that it fits our cardioid. We'll make it square. A little more. That's it. Square. So at B equals 0.4, this is our new cardioid. At B equals 0.6, that's our cardioid. At B equals 0.8, that's our cardioid. B equals 1, that's our cardioid. And B is 1.2, this is our cardioid. So this completes the use of sine and cosine function and the pi function, an array formula to generate the cardioid in Google Sheets.